Amen. How it all started.
Now you believe say this now a brand new power bank we I buy from the office. Yes, I get a way where they charge them within 1 minute in the flop. Now I can show now the tactics where they use for charge this power bank within 1 minute in the flop. Right now I not charge. We can go connector within 1 minute in the flop. Logo. Correct. Now. Okay. So now they take this. You connect them. Then you take this back. You connect here. Then you take this one. You connect here. Then what they do? You put the lights on. Amen. Mama today. Amen. Amen. Me I done. Amen. 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 I done. Amen. Ele go be.